the FireForce 5 into position, he'll then start tapping out of rhythm. Thumbs up there, bang. They put horse down behind FireForce 5, so it's got something to not cook the ground with, but I can tell you, the amount of horse they put down is now already dry. Quite warm up here, isn't it? Yeah. A big burn there from Richie, another burn. Wow. Horace is also down there. You'll see Horace, Richie in front of Martin. Horace is down there. That's what he's holding on to. Now he has a normal butterfly steering wheel on here, the small butterfly steering wheel as you get with a standard Dragster, but the thruster is actually off of the steering. It's on the left-hand peg. A little button. Oh, that is incredible. Absolutely.